These 3 spots fail most cleaning routines. Hi, I'm Daniel from Scope Facilities. I help property owners and managers avoid common maintenance problems before they turn into costly repairs. In this series, I'll share simple, practical tips to keep your property safe and running smoothly. Number 1. Door handles. Touched all day, rarely sanitized. Number 2. Behind reception desks. Dust builds up fast. Number 3. Air vents. They spread dust across the office. If these are missed, your building isn't truly clean. Scope Facilities covers what others miss. Drop your maintenance issue below, and we'll explain the solution in the next video. Drop